Good afternoon, this is Adrien Moore from Loganville Ford. Got that 2012 FX4 F-150 here available. Beautiful, beautiful truck. Man, this is a sharp vehicle. Again, it is available. Keyless entry on the side. Chrome running boards. Beautiful leather interior with the red stitching. Nice power sunroof. Navigation. Heated and cooled air conditioning seats. Dual climate control, shifter in the middle. Take a look at the back. Clean seats in the back, red stitching as well. 110 volt outlet plug. This vehicle is absolutely beautiful. Black wheels, backup camera and reverse sensors. You got the nice tonneau cover to protect your cargo. Again, it's Adrien Moore, Loganville Ford. This FX4 is still available. Give me a call, 770-554-9994. 770-554-9994. Take care and I hope to speak with you soon.